Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? Customer states I hit some road debris and the car shut off. And when I got out of the car, fuel was leaking out from the bottom of the vehicle. Please check and advise. Well, say no more, fam. We got you. We're gonna look around. See, we got some Shrek piss going, but it's that level. It's a little dirty in here, but it's cleaner than most. Coolant's at level, very good. Washer fluid, oh, we're gonna have to top that guy off over there. Well, I know there's oil in it. We checked the oil, it's at level. And we did have to push this vehicle into the shop because it will not run under its own power. And there is a heavy fuel smell from the vehicle. Alright guys, you know what comes next. Let's take it up top. So now that we've taken it up top, we can see we got a little bit of damage right there. Somebody took one Gugat shot. Let's look around. Tires, 530 seconds-ish, 630 seconds. I don't know if somebody dropped something, I don't know. Front brakes are looking good. Suspension's looking good. Alright. Oh, we got some missing clip. We got something hanging down. Oh, there's one hit. And then, oh, there it is. Yeah, you hit something there, guy. We are not supposed to be able to inspect the fuel level sender from underneath the vehicle. Or at all. Okay, so yeah, that's why the car wouldn't start. That's why we... Ooh! What did they hit? What? They hit something so hard, they knocked the exhaust out the hanger. Wow. Impressive. I'm impressed. Alright, let's see. Is it any more damage? No, I don't see any more damage. All right. Let's Columbo this right now. So they were driving along, and they hit something here. Is there supposed to be a panel here? Yo, there's more damage here. There's more damage there. Oh shit! There's more damage. I wonder if it started here. All right, I guess it started here. Then proceeded to work its way down this way, and then proceeded to hit right there. Maybe I see a mark right there, but no, but then it proceeded to go the real bad hit, the money shot, and then they had enough in them to get another money shot right here. That's 2 giggities. All right. I'll quote an exhaust and I'll send them the pictures of it, but I'm only gonna caution it. It's not leaking. I can get that back in the hangar, no problem. I could reshape that heat shield, but yeah, they need a gas tank. There's no peeling that metal back and repairing that. Maybe if you were in the bush and you had to do something, and yeah, but Alright, what'd they hit, guys? Let me know in the comments. What do you think happened here? That it started here and it ended all the way over here. Let me know. Until then, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. And don't run stuff over. So the more I look into the vehicle, the better it gets. But you know what? Not for nothing. It's holding. I respect it. You know what? You gotta do what you gotta do, and I can respect that. I would have dipped the head of the bolt into some gray paint maybe, but I'm okay with this.